Rain can make any drive feel like a scene from a horror movie. But what if you could turn the nightmare into a dream? With Rain-X Latitude water repellency wiper blades, bad weather becomes no big deal. Say goodbye to streaks, smudges, and stress. These blades do more than wipe. They shield your windshield with advanced water repellent technology. Rain, sleet, snow, they've got no chance. It's like your windshield becomes hydrophobic. Tough weather ahead? Bring it on. You've got the Rain-X Latitude advantage. Be the driver everyone envies, rain or shine. Rain-X Latitude wiper blades, clear vision, total confidence.